In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. This seamless integration will help streamline your work by bringing together your productivity and coding environments. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have everything in place to make the most of both platforms. To begin, you'll need to open Notion, which is where we'll start configuring these settings. If you're on your computer, launch the app or navigate to the Notion website. Once you're in, you'll need to access the main menu by going to Settings and Members. This can usually be found on the sidebar if you're working from a computer, or within the menu icon if you're using a mobile device. The Settings and Members section is your central hub for managing all integrations and permissions, so it's a key part of optimizing your Notion workspace. Once inside Settings and Members, the next area to navigate to is the Connections option. This is where you can manage both existing connections with third-party apps and establish new ones. To find GitHub, simply use the search feature within this section. Type GitHub into the search bar and select it from the drop-down menu that appears. This makes it straightforward to set up your integration, minimizing time spent digging through settings. The next step is to click on the Connect GitHub button once you've selected GitHub. This action initiates the process of connecting the two applications. Upon doing so, you'll be redirected to the GitHub login page. Here, sign into your GitHub account with your usual credentials. Make sure that the account you're signing into is the one which you want to link with your Notion workspace, especially if you manage multiple accounts or repositories. After successfully signing into GitHub, you'll need to authorize Notion to access your repositories. This crucial step is where you give consent for Notion to interact with your projects on GitHub, facilitating a smooth flow of information between the two platforms. You'll be presented with a list of permissions that Notion requires, including viewing and managing your repositories. Review these requests carefully to ensure you're comfortable with them, then proceed by clicking on the Authorize button. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Notion with GitHub. With this connection established, you're now positioned to enjoy a more collaborative and efficient workflow, uniting your project management and coding tasks seamlessly. Remember, anytime you need to review your connections or make changes, you can simply revisit the Settings and Members section in Notion. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to maximize the potential of your Notion and GitHub integrations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on enhancing your productivity systems.